How many hours have you been learning Spanish? And how many successful conversations have you had? If this resonates with you, I have something that may help you. It's VOZ, a soft immersion course to help you find your voice in Spanish. This soft immersion course will help you find moments through the day to actually think in Spanish. We'll also give you plenty of opportunities to talk with your colleagues and with myself in our WhatsApp group. And on top of that, we will meet every other week for a 60-minute group session. That's the immersive part. But now, how will I help you feel more confident? For every topic we talk about, you will receive a PDF with useful vocabulary, a little bit of grammar to start practicing, and some exercises so you keep thinking in Spanish. This way, before our online meetings, you will have had the chance to practice, to feel a little bit like you know the topic, and this will for sure make you feel more relaxed and confident. Because it's only when you feel like you are in a safe space that you can start finding your own voice in this second language and start having the conversations that you really want to have. No more repeating sentences that you got in an app. This is literally the type of course that I would have loved to be able to join when I was learning English. Does it sound like it could work for you? Nos vemos en VOZ.